Okay, so there has been a big recall with KZ RVs. And as you know, these RV manufacturers all roll up. So we have a Venture RV, but it's actually made by KZ, which probably rolls up into something else, which probably ends up at either Thor or Winnebago, like most of them do. But they have a major recall going on right now. And I just wanted to share this out to make sure that everybody had this information. So we got this letter in the mail. I don't know how well that's going to show up, but this is the recall notice, and I'm just going to read to you what it says and break down the different parts of it. And even if your RV is not part of this, I would definitely call them and ask them if your RV is affected by this recall, because this is on the propane system, so I think this is very important. So basically for us, it says this notice was sent to us by the motor vehicle safety people, whoever that is, and it's only currently, they're saying it's on certain 2021 and 2022 Connect, Sonic, Sportsman, Sportsman Classic, Sportsman SE, and Sportsman Sportsters and Sport Track trailers, which is what we have. As a result, KZRV is conducting a safety recall. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause you, which for us is a big one because we're about 2 hours away from our dealer to take this back, and that's going to cost us a ton of gas money to get it there. So we're going to try to call them and find somewhere closer. But the reason for the recall, and I'm going to read this, just what it says on the letter. The vehicles subject to this recall were built with a propane quick disconnect fitting that may be cracked or in time develop a crack. This fitting may leak propane and could result in fire and or explosion, resulting in personal injury or death. This repair will be done at no cost to you. So then it breaks into what they will do, and I'm sorry you may hear some rain here on the RV. It's actually raining right now. The remedy is to replace the disconnect fitting and ensure that no leaks are present. This repair should take approximately 20 minutes to complete. So there you go again. So that's another problem for us. A 2-hour drive for a 20-minute repair. I'm hoping we can find somewhere closer. And again, they state that this will be no cost to you. So here's where our concern comes in. It says what you should do next. You should contact your selling dealer immediately to schedule a service appointment to have this defect repaired in your vehicle. If you have any questions concerning this recall, or if you need assistance, please contact, and it's just their warranty department, which they are based out of Shipshewana, Indiana. And in case you do need it, if you wanted to give them a call just to confirm on yours if you need it or not, the phone number is 1-800-768-4016, extension 154 or 153, and I will put that down in the description below, so if anybody does need that, they'll have it. We're hoping that they will tell us we can go to a closer place instead of going so far away. So, you know, again, this is just a quick video just to let you know, but this is the letter you will receive, and we wanted to share this out because we knew, being on the road, a lot of times we wouldn't be getting letters like this. Even if they did ship them, we weren't in the area to get them and wouldn't know, you know, that they were there. So, and with it being a propane issue, I think that is very important that everybody should know. But this is a big recall from KZ. So if you have a KZ product, you definitely want to get your RV checked out and make sure you're good to go. Again, I will include that number down in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this helps people out and keeps people safe out there. Bye, y'all.